Most painting contractors make the same mistake when choosing a CRM. They pick a platform with dozens of features they'll never use, but miss the tools that actually help them win more estimates and book more painting jobs. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM for a painting business isn't the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that helps you close more deals and stay organized as you grow. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to look for in a painting CRM in 2026, which features matter most, and how to choose a system that can help increase revenue while reducing administrative work. Let's jump right in. If you run a painting business, your CRM should help manage the entire customer journey. From the moment a lead calls or fills out a form, all the way through estimating, scheduling, invoicing, and follow-up. Take Jake, for example. He owns a residential painting company. Every week he receives calls from homeowners looking for interior and exterior painting quotes. Without a CRM, tracking those leads becomes messy. Some customers get forgotten. Some estimates never receive follow-up. With the right CRM, every lead is captured automatically and moved through a clear sales pipeline. But here's the problem. Many painting contractors lose jobs because they don't follow up fast enough. Studies consistently show that businesses responding quickly to inquiries have a much higher chance of winning customers. That's why lead management is one of the most important CRM features. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best painting CRMs also simplify estimating. Instead of manually creating quotes from scratch every time, you can build professional estimates in minutes using templates and pricing tools. This creates a small win immediately. You spend less time on paperwork and more time selling. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that often has the biggest impact on profitability. Before that, let's talk about scheduling. As your painting business grows, managing crews becomes more difficult. You need to know who is available, where they're working, and when projects start and finish. A strong CRM keeps your schedule organized and prevents costly mistakes. This is where most people fail. They use separate tools for estimates, scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication. The result is confusion, duplicate work, and missed opportunities. The best platforms bring everything together in one system. And here's the feature that can make the biggest difference: automated follow-ups. Imagine John requests an estimate but doesn't book immediately. A CRM can automatically send reminders, check-ins, and follow-up messages that keep your business top of mind. Many contractors win jobs simply because they stayed in contact while competitors disappeared. So when choosing a painting CRM in 2026, focus on lead management, estimating, scheduling, invoicing, automation, and customer follow-up. The right CRM doesn't just organize your business. It helps you grow it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software reviews and guides, and leave a comment telling us which CRM you're considering for your painting business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.